In this video, we're going to show you an easy way to close all tabs from the same website inside Google Chrome. Chrome doesn't support this feature by default. To enable it, you must download a third-party extension for Chrome called Manage Tabs by Domain. First, add the Manage Tabs by Domain extension to Google Chrome from the Chrome Web Store. Next, click on Add to Chrome. Chrome will then prompt you to confirm that the extension can access your browsing history. The extension is now added to your Chrome browser, and you can start using it. To see how it functions, open multiple tabs from the same website. For example, we have opened several tabs from Guiding Tech for this video. To group multiple tabs together, press the shortcut Command or Control, Shift, and L. This action brings all tabs of the same website together. To close all other tabs that belong to the website of the active tab, use the shortcut Command or Control, Shift, and X. That's it! Nifty trick, right? For more tech tips and tricks on Google Chrome, follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech. Don't forget to press the bell icon and like and share these videos.